Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an HSBC bank checking and savings account. To get started, you will need to gather some required documents including a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. First, go to the HSBC website and click on the Open an Account tab. Select the type of account you want to open, which in this case is a checking and savings account. You will then be asked to fill out an application form with your personal details including your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure to fill out the form accurately and truthfully. Next, you will need to provide your identification documents and proof of address. You can upload these documents online or take them to a nearby HSBC branch. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to activate your account. You will need to create a username and password and set up security questions to secure your account. After activating your account, you can start using it to manage your finances. You can deposit and withdraw money, transfer funds, and pay bills online or through the HSBC mobile app. It is also important to set up overdraft protection and account alerts to avoid overdraft fees and stay on top of your account activity. Finally, make sure to review and understand the terms and conditions of your account, including any fees and interest rates. By following these steps, you can easily create an HSBC bank checking and savings account and start managing your finances effectively.